Too kind.
Can I get an encore?
Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roar. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise. Who you know fresher than Hov? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can't none of y'all mirror me back. Yeah, hear me rap, it's like Angie rapping his prime. I'm Young H.O., raps Grateful Dead. Back to take over the globe, now break bread. I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express. Out the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you get yep, grand opening, grand. Damn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open the head with no pen? Just draw up inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitations from these generations? Can I get an encore? Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn Balls. So for one last time, I need y'all to roar.
What the hell are you waiting for?
Look what you made me do, look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? When you first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drop a couple of hits, look how they wave to you. From Marcy to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, wearing the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you, probably maim you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Cocksucker, take one for your team, and I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. From record sale, sold out concert. If you want this encore, I need you to scream till your lungs get sore.
Ow! It's star time. This man is mean. He's killing all y'all.
Your money. Mac, I'm gone. A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that chopper. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge. Pussy copper, tell the coppers, ha 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 ha. You can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you pop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like Orville Redenbacher. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah. A million here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut dairy gear, like smoking the thinnest air. I open the Lamborghini, hoping them crackers see me. Like, look at that bastard Weezy. He's a beast, he's a dog, he's the motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? Nothing, nothing, you ain't scaring nothing. On some baby bullshit, call him Dennis Rodman. Call me with your own peach, call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Don't you hate a shy bitch? Yeah, I hate a shy bitch. She ain't shy no more, she changed her name to my bitch. Yeah,
All in together, the weather is better than ever. I hope it never ends, I hope it lasts forever. But when it does, we can all pretend that it's better than it's ever been. Lie to ourselves like the sky to rebel, and it's well, and it's fine if you fail. And you can refine the storyline if you survive to retell. We are targets. Hello darkness. Hello sunshine. Hello not at all. Hello all the time. Hello nowhere. Hello oblivion. Hello goodbye. Said everything's gonna be fine. Said everything's gonna be okay. Said just don't breathe the air. He just sits and waits for them to kick in the door. He once was a hero, they don't love him no more. There's a blast every time until he hits the floor. His gift for not fighting another man's war. And if they can get their hands on the mask that he wore on his face, they can put somebody else in his place and restore the state, the illusion that is safe. The faith that being a slave is so great. His gas fills the room and rockets destroy everything around him. He stands to find himself surrounded by thousands of soldiers that he once trained to never miss their target. Heartless, hello darkness. Hello sunshine.